Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Miss Mehwish, your Islamia teacher. Welcome back to your final term. Hope you have made the separators to separate your first term from the second term. Today we are going to start our final term syllabus. So let's move to the first unit of final term, that is unit number 9, Wudu. Open page number 21 and put today's day and date. So we know that there are 5 pillars of Islam. Salah is one of the pillar of Islam, and a Muslim offers Salah 5 times a day. So before offering Salah, we have to do something important. And what is that? That is wudu. Okay. Before one can offer Salah, one must be clean and pure. And how one could be clean and pure? One who intends to offer Salah must wash certain parts of the body. Okay. Before offering Salah, you must be clean and pure. And how you could be? You will wash certain parts of the body. This washing is called wudu. Okay. So before one can offer Salah, one must be clean and pure. And how one can be clean and pure? By washing certain parts of the body, and this washing is called wudu, the ablution. So how you can done it? It can be done as follows. First step is, it begins with saying Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It begins with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. When you start wudu, you will start with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Second step, wash the hands up to the wrists. How many times? 3 times. You will wash the hands up to the wrists 3 times. Next step, rinse out the mouth 3 times. You will put the water in your mouth and rinse it out. Okay, you will rinse out the mouth 3 times. Clean the nostrils 3 times by sniffing water. Next step is, clean the nostrils 3 times by sniffing water. And next step is, wash the face 3 times with both hands, from top of the forehead to the bottom of the chin, and from ear to ear. Okay, you will wash your face properly from the top of forehead to the bottom of the chin, and from ear to ear. Okay, so now face is done. Now let's move to the wash the right arm up to the far end of the elbow 3 times, and do the same with the left arm. Okay, you will wash your right arm up to the far end of the elbow. How many times? 3 times. Keep it in your mind that we are doing these steps. How many times? We are repeating it 3 times. And you will do the same for your left arm. Okay, same with the same method, that wash the right arm up to the far end of the elbow 3 times. Okay, wipe the head with a wet hand once. Now you will only wipe the head with a wet hand only once. Okay, not 3 times. Keep it in your mind. You will wipe the head with a wet hand once. Next step, wipe the ears with wet fingers once. Again, you will wipe your ears with wet fingers once. Wash the right foot up to the ankle 3 times. Wash the right foot up to the ankle 3 times and do the same with the left foot. Okay, 3 times. Wash the right foot 3 times up to the ankle and similarly wash the left foot up to the ankle 3 times. Okay, again 3 times. The wudu is now complete. The wudu is now complete. You will follow these steps to complete your wudu, and then you will be clean and pure to offer salah. Now, say Bismillah, then wash the hands up to the wrists 3 times, rinse out the mouth 3 times. You can use miswak if possible to clean the teeth. If miswak is available, you can use that. Then clean the nostrils 3 times by sniffing water. Wash the face 3 times with both the hands from the top of the forehead to the bottom of the chin and from ear to ear. Okay, next step is wash the right arm up to the far end of the elbow 3 times and do the same with the left arm. Next step is wipe the head with a wet hand once. Next step, wipe the ears with wet fingers once, and then wash the right foot up to the ankle 3 times and wash the left foot up to the ankle 3 times. Then wudu is complete. Now, we are going to do some classwork, some notebook work. But before starting that, let me tell you one thing. You will make a selector, a triangle that you will make to separate your first term from your second term. Okay, first term is completed now. Now we are going to start our second or final term. So you will separate the final term or the second term from the first term by putting a selector. Okay, write on that selector, write final term or second term. Then from the very next page, make the title page. You can write the name of the unit. You can take any one of these, any one of the picture to draw, to color it, or whatever you want to do. Next step, write the missing letters. Okay, we are going to start our exercise of unit number 9 wudu. Write the missing letters. Number 1, pure. Number 2, ablution. Number 3, wrists. Number 4, nostrils. Number 5, forehead. Number 6, chin. Number 7, wipe. So, make the title page of this unit and then write down these missing letters in your notebook. Watch this video again and again to understand it more clearly. We'll meet you in the next class. Till then, thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take a lot care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.